Did you know that cold feet in winter aren't just uncomfortable, but could signal underlying health issues like poor circulation or even hypothyroidism? Quite a chilling fact, isn't it? When we talk about cold feet, it's not always the winter chill at play. Sometimes it might be your body's subtle way of saying, hey, something's not right. Consistent coldness, even away from the icy outdoors, could be a sign of something more serious. But fear not, because we have some warm solutions to keep those feet toasty. Exercise is a great start, but what if it's not enough? Don't worry, we've got you covered with a mix of practical solutions and some rather unusual remedies from around the globe. It all starts with your feet's first layer of defense, socks. However, not all socks are created equal. Consider thermal socks made from materials like merino wool for warmth and breathability, but we're going beyond just socks. You might be surprised to know that sipping on ginger tea can improve blood circulation and warm up those chilly toes. Yes, your favorite winter beverage might just be the secret to toasty toes. And now, let's take a quick trip to Japan. Ever heard of Ashiyu? It's a unique Japanese tradition of soaking feet in a hot spring. The warm water works wonders in improving circulation and providing a soothing warmth to your feet. So whether it's choosing the right pair of socks, brewing a warm cup of ginger tea, or indulging in a toasty foot bath, remember, there's a solution for every pair of cold feet out there. Stay tuned for our next segment, where we dive into a series of simple exercises to help keep your feet warm. Exercise, a universal remedy, proves beneficial even when it comes to warming up those frosty feet. You see, cold feet often result from poor circulation, and exercise is a fantastic way to get the blood flowing. Let's start with foot rolls. They're as simple as they sound. Just roll your feet in a circular motion. This activity stimulates blood flow, bringing warmth back to your toes. Next, we have toe wiggles. Yes, it might seem silly, but wiggling your toes can create heat through friction and enhance circulation. Then there are calf raises. Stand on your tiptoes, then lower back down. Repeat. This exercise not only warms your feet, but also strengthens your calves. Last but not least, ankle circles. Rotate your ankles. First in one direction, then the other. It's like a mini workout for your feet, promoting circulation and heat generation. So there you have it, a few simple exercises that can make a world of difference to those icy feet. Let's quickly jog our memory and warm up to the key points we've covered today. We've explored the potential health implications of cold feet, from common discomfort to serious diseases. We've stressed the importance of exercise in promoting circulation. We've discussed the value of choosing the right socks as a simple but effective solution, and we've ventured into various remedies, natural and some delightfully peculiar ones from around the world. Remember, keeping your feet warm is not just about comfort, it's a step towards better health. So let's bid goodbye to cold feet this winter.